Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Let's talk about Wom Protocol. I made a video and you guys seem to love it so much, so here I am with another one. Now, as you know, Wom Protocol is integrated into the Bullz app, and Bullz app is the TikTok of the crypto industry. So imagine you're a content creator or you want to just post TikToks for fun. You can post them and the Wom Protocol will allow you to monetize it. But here's the thing, not only can you monetize it, but they have authenticators that can check the validity based on their metrics. So it builds trust. So when you post a video, these authenticators can review your video and give it a rating. And therefore you will have a rating that will go out into the world, and therefore people will trust your reviews more. Word of mouth marketing has been around for a very long time, and it's pretty much one of the most trustworthy ways of giving your opinion on a particular product or something you recommend. Well, Wom Protocol harnesses that and they integrate it into different platforms. And the thing is, you can have Wom Protocol integrated in, let's say there's a website that sells shoes. Let's say you want to buy shoes, you can give a review using the Wom Protocol. Let's say you bought the shoe, you give the review, you can get paid in Wom tokens for giving that review, and that review gets authenticated. So anyone else that goes on the website can see your review and can see that it's been authenticated in different terms such as authenticity, honesty, transparency, the different metrics that the Wom Protocol has. So the TikTok app is called Bullz app, and I'm going to show you how you can use it in this video. I love it and I want you guys to join my team, but I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that in a second. So you can buy the Bullz app on the App Store, and I'm going to pop onto my phone and show you. So if you go on their homepage, you can scroll through and see different content. It's just like TikTok, but the best part is you can earn in Wom tokens. And guys, I want to show you, you can use your Wom tokens to buy gift cards. I have literally done that and I want to show you how. So let you go on your homepage, check me out. Here's my account, I'm verified. You can see I've got some videos, but I wanted to make this video before I post more videos for you guys to watch, because I would love for you guys to join my team on the Bullz app. So I have a team called Crypto People. You can click on there, you can see my videos, and different creators can join, and you guys can post videos and we can post them together. Together we can create content, we can get more engagement and earn crypto together. It's actually genius, and I'm not even kidding. You don't even need like a ton of views or need to be a massive influencer or anything to be able to earn a decent amount of cryptos in Wom tokens on the app. And they are usable. There are so many tokens out there that you can't really monetize or use, or it's just not the same. Wom Protocol is a blue chip crypto. Their product is amazing. I had the chance to meet the founder. This video is sponsored, but it's also because I am so passionate about Wom Protocol and the Bullz app. I use it myself, I love it so much. Now I'm going to go into the Wom Protocol app and show you how you can buy gift cards using your Wom tokens. This feature is amazing. So, you have your homepage, scroll through, I click on my profile, Wom Wallet. Now I'm going to click on gift card, and then I'm going to click on more cards just to see what's there. As you can see, there are so many brands, Deliveroo, all these things. Now, I think I want to buy a dress from ASOS. So I'm going to scroll down, and I know I saw ASOS somewhere down below. Keep going. There we go. I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to change, how much do I want? I'd say maybe £50 roughly. Sorry, I know it says dollars, but I mean £50. So I click pay. Boom. Pay for it like that. Oh, there we go. $50. Don't know why that didn't happen. Terms and conditions. I tick that. It's non-refundable. Fine. I need that dress anyway. Cool. There we go. I mean, isn't that amazing? You can make the TikTok equivalent on Bullz, earn money, buy stuff. Isn't that awesome? This is, I would say, the most I have used case one. There's one thing about using cryptos, as a value of exchange as money. But there's another thing when you can have a working product, you can earn cryptos from it, and you can use it towards gift cards. I think that's genius. So yeah, I have linked everything down below in the description box. Check out my previous video, and you guys get onto this app and check out my team, Crypto People it's called. You can join it, we can earn together. And my name on the Bullz app is Finpact. And yeah, again, thanks guys for 10K subs. We're here. It's amazing. I'm so happy. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.